My name is Yanique. I'm from the Spoilers community. My address is 1B Tex Lane. It was just burned down by the fire. I just got the call and I reached here. I was on the renovation by fixing my house again. It's the second house I'm losing since 2 years, in the past 2 years now. And I'm just reaching here. I'm a mom of 3. So I don't really know what I'm going to do now. Because I'm 3 kids I live with. I have no father, I have no mother, I have nobody with my kids them, and I'm my only kids them.
What do you think might have caused this fire though?
I don't really sure. My first fire, it was by a back boom. This fire, I don't sure because I not was here. My first fire, them light a different yard and then it catch my yard. So this time I don't know what is the situation. I come, I see the next door house completely burned down and my side is burned, partially all of my things is burned down.
That means we are under control.
What's the next move from here?
Well, I don't know. My kids go to school on the road. I don't really know. My sister live on one side, as I say, and then my son they here staying with her, but then staying with somebody else with another 2 kids, so I don't really sure.
Do you think at all it has anything to do with violence? Do you think that?
Well, I'm not sure, you know. I'm really not sure because when I'm here, I don't really come out, I don't really mix up, so I don't really come here. I come here now and then to come fix my house and go back. One time I was pay crime and violence. Now I don't really hear no crime and violence I go around here. So I don't really know. I have some whole heap of TV on the back of my house because the next person around there over my house fix TV and them some there. So I don't really know if I electrical or a gang or a war or whatever going on.
You look really traumatized by the whole thing.
I don't know what to do. I seriously don't know what to do. I just get a call. As I say, I'm not in a nothing. I just draw something. I just get a call, come down here. My baby they right out there stuck. I just go left my baby right there. So just to come in at the smoke. And my daughter in her uniform just come from school. See my sister there, I look never will live with me. I mean, live with him partially. I stay in the barely place where build up in there and been a stay. Can't not build up comfortable, but in there and been a stay. See him have him look at things them there. All my look at sister, my next sister, we're gonna foreign a few things them here. We don't have nothing more.
How old are the kids?
My big daughter is 8, my young son is 3, my little daughter is just turned 1 January gone. I don't have no father. My son father died right here, so my 2 last kids when I was pregnant. 3 months before that my house burned down, so I don't know what to do.
So what are the things that you've lost?
As I say, none of them something there right here, so I don't mind. I have one of them here, I have a bed, I have 2 beds, for one for me and one for my kids them. I have my stove, I have my TV them, I have my dresser them, I have all of my things them because I do furniture work. So I have all of my things them. I don't have nothing. All of them here when I see my sister them things. I don't have nothing. My new brand fridge it gone. That is my sister's fridge, that is not my fridge. Because I have a silver fridge. I know I don't see nothing for me. The whole of my house empty, as you can go over there go see. I don't see nothing for me come out all now. Not even my pitney them papers. The only thing I have is my ID for me. I don't have nothing more.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time. Walk good, my friends.
Teach them!